now. 10. Diaz Ortiz. Patay po oras ito. Gada basket. Violation po lang. Kaya wala kami yan. Bas-basa. Sibayan Wilson. And Sibayan to really punches. Play ball. 1 point lead. The defender. 1 minute and 22. For the second shot clock. 10. 5. Tama po yan. Okay, 15 seconds.